Assalamualaikum and hi. Today our team will present about our webpage. Our objective of our system is to make sure the current hospital and the medical center in our country will be properly organized. During this pandemic season, the medical facilities in our country is crowded, with patients that both suffer from the disease and the other problems. This make the hospital compact with people which will cause us no social distance among them and will probably increasing the chance of the virus to be spread. Within our system, it prevents this situation from happen and perfectly organize the patient to compact. In theory, our system help those who need medical treatment to be distributed to the nearest available hospital or medical facilities that could be help them. Our website is to make sure that can help hospital. On the right side have a home button, about us button, login button and sign up button. For the left side is our company logos. That's mean Foturo, that's mean future. Like you can see, the first image is about SOP that government have been placed. The picture has been moved using a JavaScript and also CSS. The second picture is about the coronavirus fact and myth. And at the right side is the fact about corona. What is corona? And under the image we can see the tracker of the cases that has been recorded in Malaysia. For the footer have the Foturo, our company name, and the address and also the design of this website. Let's go to about us web page. Like you can see, we have some message at the right side. Like you can see, we have message at the right side. The first one is kita jaga kita, and the second one jangan lupa, and the last one is for a reminder, ingatan. This is our team. If your cursor go to the image will change the color, and if you click the image, have information about the members. For example, if I click a second image, it will pop up the name of Fariq Aiman, and third image will pop up Muhammad Najmin, and the last one will pop up Naif Syabil. And the footer same like the web homepage, the our company name and also the address.
Hello and Assalamualaikum. I'm gonna explain about database usage in our system. We use total of 4 tables, which include admin, pharmacy, request, and user. On the register page, if an individual or user don't have any login account, they can go to the register menu to register their ID so they can access the system. They need to put username, email, password, re-enter the password, full name, IC number, address, city, postcode, and state. So we're gonna try put name, call user at gmail.com, password, and we put it as Islam. After you fill in, you will click register. The system will detect whether the username, email, and IC number has been used before or not. So in our system, we use register to input our input. Then the register process will access the database. At here, it will retrieve the username, email, and IC number that already stored in the database, so it can be compared whether it already have username, same email, or same IC number. If they have the same IC number, username, or email, the system will not allow the user to register again. They need to change to different username, IC, and email before they can register into the system. So let's press register, and will pop up message, you have successfully registered. Click OK to the login page. It will automatically redirect you to the login page. On the login page menu, they have two submission buttons, which is user login and admin login. In our database, we have two databases, one for admin and the other one is for user, which people can register. If you can see here, this is my new my registration. This is my email that I just registered. The password, however, is been hashing, so it will be completely anonymous, so it's safe for the both side. Before we register, the password is hashing. So there's two value in user, and on admin there already preset one, which is admin, and this password are also been hashing. So in this case, if you put a user, let's say it's user abs, and you click admin login, it will say username and password is incorrect, even though it's correct but for different database. So we will start with admin first. So let's say admin, the password will be also admin as I set up, then click admin login, and you will go to the system. Let's say hello admin. So this is your username, actually it's variable, and you got this main menu and several options you can do. Let's start with pharmacy menu. So this is the medicine list that you will be received after you click the pharmacy menu. So this is stored on the database under name pharmacy. So this is the attribute. So it store image, price, name, quantity, and the description of the product. It will retrieve data from the database pharmacy, and it will be displayed here, so the admin can see what medicine are available. The admin also can add new medicine or update the selected medicine or delete the medicine. Let's start with add new medicine. It will go up to new menu called add new medicine. So the user will need to enter medicine name, the unit, the quantity, and the description, also the image. So let's insert one. Insert one, about 90 cents. Let's add 100 unit also, and the description is new medicine. I'm sorry, let's go browse to browse our image. So let's see, so this is image I want to upload, and after you upload this, you can click add and medicine uploaded data input. Click OK, and we'll refresh to the add new medicine back. Now if you go to the return to the pharmacy menu, it will show your inputted data under here, and also the image over here. For instance, I also can update the selected medicine. So for example, I can take this and click update, set into the medicine name, and click search. It will find you the medicine, and here you can change it to wherever you want. Let's say I want to change the quantity to 90 and the price reduced to 150, and the other remain constants. So we click update medicine, and we say medicine successfully updated. If you go back to the pharmacy menu, you can see the attribute already changed. Also, in the database itself. Now, you also can delete this selected medicine. Let's delete paracetamol that we just entered. So click search and it will find the medicine, and we click delete medicines and it will be successfully deleted. Return to the menu and there's only one left. Now, you also can manage the patient request list. So this is where user requests for the specific hospital to make a checkup. So as you click the manage patient center, you will go to the pending request menu, which give you a list to the user who submit their request. So you got the username, their IC number, their address, their hospital requested, and the note that they left for more clarification. And these two spaces is where we want to edit it, or the admin will edit it, whether it will be passed or it will be changed to the other hospital that is compatible. You can go to the change hospital locus list, which in this case it has none, or accepted list and also have none. What you can do, you can update the status by entering the username. So you got a list, and if you enter it, it will pop up one menu, so you can change the status to pending, change location, or success. Let's say it's success, and we click, we add the note for notification and click update. User request status successfully changed. Now, as you can see, the pending request list menu doesn't have any data anymore. If you click the user request accepted list, it will be appear here as the success. Now, if you want to log out, you just can click sign out and you will successfully log out and back to the main menu, to the login menu. Let's try login. So let's say user and add user, and we'll be go into the hello there user. This is your username. So you got option COVID-19 hospitality request. This is the request that I'm talking about, the request list. So the user will be able to request. Only one user will be able to make one request only. So in this case, this user doesn't have any request yet. So the new request form will be appear down here, so they can request such as what hospital they want. Let's say hospital mod and add additional code as close. Then key request, and the request will be sent, and you got one request over there. The status will be pending until the admin change it. So let's try change it. What happened if admin apply it? So you go to admin login, manage the preference profile, and now it will be appear at the pending request list, the request that we just made. What you can do, you can search it to edit it, change it to the success or anything you want, and add a little bit of notification. Click update, and after you change it, click OK, sign out, and let's enter back the user password, and you can see it will be updated. The node is OK and the status is success. So this is basically our database system that we apply in our project. Everything will be saved over here. The password will be hash, which is safer, and the user will be not redundant, which is the username, email, and IC must be different. If one of them is same, the system will never let the new user to be registered. So this is overall our project.